Oktoberfest!
Sorry, sir. This is a harvest festival. No alcohol. I'm gonna have to confiscate those steins.
This winning cornucopia is magnificent. Styrofoam?
You stuffed your horn?
No!
Dad, look! A corn maze.
Bet you can't solve our maze. We're leaving!
Dad, we're in the maze.
Maybe we should split up.
Split up? Marge, no! We can fix this marriage!
No, I didn't mean...
Fine, you want out? Then go! I can make it on my own.
I just meant we should split up to get out of this corn maze.
Deep down, I guess I knew that.
Now, there must be a way out.
Of our marriage? I don't want to live! I'm so sick of being lost. To hell with maid's etiquette. I'm walking straight out of here. Go! Damn it! Just go!
Now, don't worry, ma'am. We'll send a member of our elite canine unit in to find your husband's corpse. Living corpse. Say hello to Officer Jaws.
I'm lost and I'm starving.
Eat some corn!
I don't have any holders.
Don't worry. Our dog will find my dad. We need you, boy! We need you, boy!
To my wife, Marge, in case I don't make it, here are my Oscar picks for next year. Best sound effects editing, the team from... Huh?
Has he ever thought about a career in law enforcement?
Boy, it is gonna be so cool when you're a police dog. Good boy! Now, transform!
Nice work, canines. Bring in the next group.
Listen to me, Rook. These streets are hard. It ain't like Air Bud 5 strong-armored apart.
You gave that hog a day of beauty, and I didn't get nothing. Manicure, pedicure, exfoliation. What's the matter, Bart?
Oh, I miss Santa's little helper. I wanted him to be a police dog, but now he has no time for me. I even have to eat my own homework.
Hey, can you set us up down here?
So, you got any steroids?
Oh, you know it. I can make you huge. Freeze! Ha! Nobody ever freezes. Might as well just say run.
Well, I'm afraid because of this improperly filled out police report, I have no choice but to let you go. Case dismissed.
Oh, don't worry, dude. I'm going straight. Straight to my customers to sell more drugs.
Boy, you're back! Ow! You bit me! I can't believe it. My own dog bit me.
Now that he's had a taste of human flesh, the dog will be a slave to its succulence.
Oh, I love Santa's little helper, but I don't know if we can have him in our home anymore.
Mom, you can't send him away. He's a dog, not Grandpa.
Forget it, kid. He's a cop now.
Well, I bet he can't resist this. Fetch, boy! My God, I've lost him.
You can live with me now, cause only cops understand cops.
Hey, Lou. Want a party tonight?
I don't want a new dog. I want my old dog, the one who bit me.
Cheer up, boy. We'll get you their most vicious street cur. He'll bite your ass raw.
No street curs.
He is so awesome. I already love him more than I love Lisa.
It says here, don't bother naming them. Snakes have poor hearing and only live to strangle.
I like it. Strangles.
After months of practice, I have trained my rabbit to hop in perfect tempo.
Bart Simpson, you can't bring a python to school.
The snake's getting away!
Ah!
The snake must be in there.
Hey, Lou, what's your favorite thing in the world so I can dump all over that? Deadly toxic cloud! Deadly toxic cloud!
Bart's missing. He must still be in the school.
Here, Strangles. Strangles? Strangles? You came to save me. Santa's little helper? You came too.
And saved! Hero cop saves boy! Hero cop saves boy!
Don't worry. I'll give you a home. My feet hurt. My left ear's freezing. My right ear's burning. I got fish smell in my wrinkles. Hurry! If we don't get a seat in the splash zone, I've worn my bathing suit under my clothes for nothing. A splash 'em up show.
Grandpa, no stories. You can come with us or sit here on the shark bench.
You know, I did sit on a shark once. Dad, bathing suit. Yeah, get to the show.
This is the show. Here's the original Octomom, Sly Moo. The country has its first black president. Maybe it's time for the first octopus president.
They'll cheer a dancing octopus, but not an old man complaining about everything.
Excuse me, sir. Is this seat taken?
Sat on a real one once.
Tell me more.
More? Play it cool, Grandpa. Play it cool. They were minding their own business when we were attacked by a heat-seeking torpedo we had fired the day before.
Hey, boys, these sharks can't bite us if we're on their backs.
Yeah, it's like riding a cyclone back at Coney Island.
Why, here's us in Hawaii last year. Good times.
Sir, my name is Marshall Goldman. I'm a newspaper columnist specializing in human interest stories.
Well, class, it's Friday afternoon. That means it's time to find out which one of you gets to take Larry the Lamb home for the weekend. This weekend, Larry will go home with...
Please, God, I need this.
Bart Simpson.
Not so fast. Tell the diary how special he makes you feel. More adjectives.
Well, sir, it looks like your dad is a quotable notable.
My father is interesting? The whole world's upside down. Yep, I may just be the best-known Abraham in history.
So, Abe, what else you got for me?
I never rode that train, but I palaver with the movie stars when they got out to stretch their legs.
What you reading there?
Oh, it's called Gone with the Wind. You can have it. It's only got one swear word, and not a very good one.
Gone with the Wind, eh? Well, let's see. Garbage, my line. Thanks, kid. Don't tell this story to anyone for 60 years.
How come Grandpa never shares those stories with us?
He does all the time. You just never listen.
Marge, my brain is like a computer.
That's it, boy. Go for the nards.
Bart! If you're not going to take care of him right, then give him to me. Larry, please don't judge our whole family by Bart. He's the black sheep. I mean, not that black sheep are in any way inferior to white sheep. I do not judge wool by its color. Larry! Gotcha! Ah!
Hey, Abe. Great stories. I'm Mitch Albom, author of Tuesdays with Maury.
Never heard of you.
Yeah, sure you haven't.
Yeah, beat it, sports page.
And what if I don't?
Clouds are God's sneezes.
Ooh, I like this kid.
You visit me twice in 1 year. This man's more of a son to me than you've ever been. What did you only care about me now because I'm famous? That's it. Here's your ring back. Ring? What ring? It's a father-son commitment band that I bought and never told you about.
Okay, I need the stupid lamb back.
He's in here, safe and sound. Let me just staple that bag for you. What if someone were to lose Larry?
They'd see a dark side of me no one knows about. Nelson loved a little lamb, little lamb.
You've reached Abe.
And Marshall, Abe can't come to the phone right now.
And if this is Homer, you're too late for my love. I'll find my own surrogate father full of heartwarming stories I can share with the world.
And that's how you win an opium war. Although these days I can make neither haste nor waste. You know, Simpson, this has truly been a lovely afternoon. Release a hound.
Where'd you get this rope?
Swiped it from gym class.
Climb that rope!
There is no rope.
Well, you better get to the ceiling somehow! Ceiling!
Larry! Larry the lamb! There you are, you piece of crap.
What you need is the sewer cops.
Fine, what's your number?
Lisa, you're old enough now that I can tell you the truth. There's no such thing as the sewer cop.
I have a column I'd like to submit. Pay me whenever.
I'll just take this to our editor.
What? Oh, it's a prize application form. At 3 o'clock on Monday, Abe passed away peacefully in his sleep. How would he know Grandpa was going to die today?
Right into a nostalgic past. Anyone without a ticket will be beaten by classic railroad bulls.
Finally riding a Tinseltown Starliner. I could die a happy man. Don't! Beware of Marshall Goldman! What was that?
An elephant on a circus train.
Hey, Slimoo!
Larry!
Larry!
Come surprise, Pulitzer Prize. I'll finally be successful in my mother's eyes.
Drop that pillow!
It gets worse.
Oh!
Yeah.
Maybe so, but I know how to play possum. Well, at least you never tried to kill me. Just with indifference.
You did good, kid. This is for the shoe shine.
Why don't we let Homer tell the story? Really? Me? The year is 1946, In a war-torn world, a single flower blooms. And that flower is an angry Japanese monster named...
I am a broccoli. I help keep you lean. My head's on a stalk, and my color is purple.
Get off my stage, out of my sight, and into your parents' car.
Okay.
You'll never work in second-grade theater again.
Hooray!
Hello, friendo.
No, you promised you would cut this scene.
Fine. Can I please get back my after-show cupcakes?
We already ate them.
No!
I didn't even get to do my line. Oh, I think I'm gonna cry.
Oh, no. I hate to see a pork chop cry.
Green!
Too late now, boy. Just play with the siren.
Homer, I want you to do something with Lisa.
I am. Isn't that right, honey? Oops.
You're not speaking to her or even making eye contact.
Blowing your clarinet? Ooh. Protesting a whale.
I'm reading To Kill a Mockingbird.
Now just remember, it's set in the South a long time ago.
Kent Brockman here, interviewing 3 blue-collar men who voted for Trump. How do you feel now?
Please stop interviewing us.
Never.
Here's the store. Let's get something sweet for my little girl.
What the? Oh, come on!
My daughter's not a sex object. She's a respect object. Grow up too fast. I will see you all in court.
You're like Atticus Finch, a modest, heroic man who stands up for what's right.
Yeah, sure.
And I love the way you just made me feel safer.
I don't think that's all the reading for tonight, honey. It's getting late.
What time is it?
8:30.
May I see your watch?
Oh, black and white. The TV's broken.
Hey, we were watching that.
Oma is my hero.
Say it in American.
He stood up for me. It was magnificent.
I wish my dad was a hero.
Wish granted, son. Now let's move it.
Well, I don't care if Dad's your hero. You know whose hero I am? Maggie's. Come here, girl.
Now put up my dukes. Now take down your dukes. I'm the greatest! Oh, someone put down my dukes.
I always liked my dad, but this was something new and wonderful. I admired him. The way he'd take me to the Science Museum once a year.
Oh, sweetie, it's starting to melt. Daddy will give you a little help. Oh, a little more help. A little more.
And he inspired me in school. The second grade was grim, but Jem assured me that the older I get, the better school would be. But my brother was not so happy.
Mom, why can't we be like that?
Well?
I tell you guys, having a kid that likes you is the greatest feeling in the world.
I never got along with my old man. He was always disappointed I didn't follow him in the family business.
Yeah, my dad left when I was most vulnerable. The day after Mom left. That was a tough week there. Not a good time to film a commercial.
I made Dad a blueberry pie.
Ooh, what to do, what to do. In the words of King Solomon, I shall eat 2 pies.
I think Bart could use a little attention.
Give attention to Lisa. Give attention to Bart. What am I, made of attention?
What are you waiting for? I'm here for an hour, and then I'm off to 14 other schools. I eat lunch in my car because they won't let me counsel kids with food in my mouth.
Well, I always thought my dad was a big fat loser until he started giving attention to my lame-o sister, so why do I want his attention now?
Have no choice. Act out until somebody pays attention to you. Next! Okay, couples therapy, you got 90 seconds.
I'm the oldest and she won't admit it.
Baruch atah Adonai, Elokeinu melech haolam, pokeach ivrim,
Please, we've got to get him to the hospital.
Wow, I'm gonna meet a nurse.
So, an old rabbi was confronted with squirrels in the attic.
Get to the punchline or your son flunks geometry.
He gave the squirrels a bar mitzvah, never saw them in temple again. Amen.
I own a Tesla.
Those are my keys. Prepare for the burning of your life.
Who is responsible for this mass sugar behavior?
He did it.
Hey, Mr. Cunningham. I said, hey, Mr. Cunningham.
I didn't do it. Nobody saw me do it. They know I did it. Protect me, Dad.
Where's your boy?
What's your hurry, friend?
How about you, Chief Wiggum? I go to school with your boy, Ralph. Give my regards to Ralph, would you please?
All right, let's go, people. They've diffused us.
Oh, Lisa, sweetie, you saved me.
No, Dad. You saved us all with your calmness and bravery.
Okay, Maggie, you give me your binky, and I'll give you this substitution bear doll. What happened?
Got in a fight.
Why? What did the other kid do?
Said Dad was lazy and incompetent.
And where is this other kid?
Yo.
To combat bedwetting, doctors recommend shifting times for drinking, scheduling bathroom breaks, and being encouraging. I'll deny having said this, but the next time you wet your bed, have him spank you. Next!
Also, I'm worried that my son is feeling neglected.
Your husband has to give your daughter the perfect speech which lets her down but doesn't snap her in two. And make sure you don't have any more kids. Sounds like it'll be a disaster.
It's sweet that Lisa idolizes you, but I think it's gone too far.
You're right. Tell her she's right. I just did. I'm on a 5-second delay.
Okay, I'll talk to Bart. You talk to Lisa. We've got to put this family back in place.
Okay. Why do you always tell me the most important things just when I'm about to fall asleep?
I've got that terrible feeling where I'm almost at the end of a great book, and once I finish, it's over forever.
When I was a kid, I wanted to be that guy, but now I can't fit behind a door. You'll discover I'm not the perfect man you think.
Okay, I'll finish my book. But always remember, you're my dad.
Oh, I don't know. I've been hurt before. I don't want to mess you up by getting close to you.
Okay, Bart, because we treasure you too, I'm going to let you do one thing just for yourself.
Kick Homer in the butt?
Why don't you give it some thought?
Okay, I've decided. I'll kick Homer in the butt.
You can kick it if you can find it.